All right, so this is the lecture number 70 of DSA series, and we are solving the problems related to 2D array inside the array series, and we have already covered the introduction part for 2D array. Now we would be solving the first, I would say the first problem of the 2D arrays, and this is the basic one also, and after that we would be solving some advanced 2D array problems. Now this problems is just to get familiar with the arrays of 2D arrays, how we can take input, get output, how we can manipulate the things inside the 2D arrays. This is just for that purpose. Fine. So the problem is addition of two 2D arrays or two matrices. So let us get started how we can solve the problem. And the recommendation part from before going into this video is, if you don't know how we can access element or how we can insert the element into the 2D array, then you should watch the introduction part of the 2D array, which is right before this video. Fine. So you have to watch that video, and if you already know how to do all the operation of 2D arrays, and you have, or if you have watched the video, then you are good to go from here. So this is the explanation for 2D array which we have done in our previous video. Now we are going to see a first problem on 2D arrays, which is addition of two 2D arrays. And this problem also comes in the form that you have to add two matrices. So whenever you saw this or this, then don't get confused. Both of them are similar. You can do the same, same operation for both of the solution, both of the problem. So this was one thing. Now let us get started with the problem what we have to solve today. So let us say you have been given two 2D arrays. Let us say this is A, and the row are 3, 0, 1, 2, and columns are also 3, 1. So here we have 5, 6, 7, 1, 3, 4, 2, 9, 6. And you have also given another array B of same row and same columns, 0, 1, 2, and 0. Let us draw it, or let us leave it as it is, 0, 1, 2. Fine. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 9, 7, 8, 4. So you have been given these two elements. Now what you have to do, you have to add these two. And for that, of course, you would be needing another array. We can do this into one of the array, but let us not get into that. We would be declaring another array of same rows and same size. So the row size is 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2. So you have to add these two array, and you have to store the result into this C, or let us call it as result 2D array. Fine. So let us see revising the +2 math, how we used to add two matrices. So it was like, pick up this element and add these two and put it here. 5 plus 1 is 6, put it here. Pick up this and this, add 6 plus 2, 8. Pick up this 7 and this 3, add these two, 10. Pick up this one and this one of same indexes. You can see here I am picking up the elements of same indexes. Here row is 1, here row is 1, here column is 0, here column is 0. Fine. So you have to pick up the elements of same row and same size from both the arrays. Fine. So 5 plus 1 is 6, 3 plus 6 is 9, 4 plus 9 is 13, 7 plus 2 is 9, 9 plus 8 is 17, 6 plus 4 is 10. So your program should print this output. Fine. So it's a very simple also. So I have already explained how we can take input and how we can print the output onto the user screen. So let us do that first. So this was the explanation. Of course, this is the code for taking input and this is the code for printing output, but I want to write it again so that you can be more familiar, because when we do things many times, then it is being old to us, like we used to get familiar with them, and this is easy to us to remember the thing. First of all, let us clear this also. This is the very simple one, but it's clear the many concept. Let us see how. So first of all, I have to take the I would say the row size and column size for first array. So let's see how I'm going to take the size. So let us call row size is row size for A. So scn dot next int, it has to be int, fine, and the next input would be column size of A, fine, and we have to define a an array. Let us call it as A as 2D array of how much size? Row would be row size of A and column would be column size of A. So that way we have declared an array. Now we have to take input for this array. Fine. Now I is equal to 0. I is a row size of array and I plus plus. And for this int I j is 0, j is less than or column size. So if you are confused with this loop which I have written just now, then you should watch my introduction video of 2D arrays. Even if you are confused with this, then also you should watch my introduction video of this 2D array, because I have explained everything related to 2D array. So I have spent a lot of time in that. Then you should watch the video. I would be putting down the link into this description box. So A of I and j is equals to scn dot next int. So it would take the input for first array. Now we have to take also second array also. So we have to take first of all the row size for second array. So row size of B, scn dot next int. This program is just about taking inputs and nothing in the addition. You already know how to addition. And one more thing, I want you to try it first, like at your own. I would be providing the solution at the end. So first approach is you should be trying each question before watching the video at your own, so that your mind should be should have some sort of exercise. Fine. So now I have to take input for call size of B. Fine. Now I have to declare another array called B as 2D array, and new int row size is row size of B and column size is column size of B. So that is it for we have to do for declaring the array. Now we have to do the same thing. We have to take the input from the user. Let us, fine. So I less than of row size of B, and for int j is equal to 0, j is column size of B and j plus plus. So, and for this I have to write just like this, I and j, scn dot. So that is how we used to take the input from the user. Still I am saying, if you are confused with this, then you should watch my introduction video of the 2D array. Now problem start from here. We like till here, if you see what we have done till now, this is the code. We have taken input from user, let us say 3. Row size of A, let us say this is also 3. We have declared an array, so let us declare that of 3 size 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. And after that what we have done, we have taken one more input for row size of B. Let us say this is also 3, and row size of B, let us say this is also 3. This is not required actually, but I'm showing you just for the purpose of that you should be get familiar with the 2D arrays. Fine. So this is also 3. Now this is declaring the another 2D array. This is A, this is B. So same size 0 0 0 0 0 0 and 0 0 0. Fine. And here what we are doing, we are taking input from the user of this size. So it would enter all the values into this like this. It has done. Fine. So it is not 0 now, it has some values over it. Fine. Now what we have to do, we have to declare another variable of same size, which is either this row and column, either this row and column, because rows and columns has to be of same size. Then only we can add these two matrices. Otherwise, you know the math rules. What was the rule for addition to matrix? The row size and column size has to be the same. So either we can pick up this size or we can pick up this size for declaring this array. Let us say I am picking up this size. So 3 rows and 3 columns. Initially they are 0 0 0 0 0 0. Fine, like this. Now what we have to do, we have to add these two elements of these indexes and have to put it here. So let us see how I am going to write these, this algorithm for adding two matrices. See it very carefully. I'm writing it. So I have to, first of all, I will have to declare a result variable, or let us call C, and row size for, let us say, row size of A and column size of A. Fine. Now I have to write a loop. I is equal to 0 till row size of A, I plus plus, and I have to write another loop and j is equal to 0 and j less than of column size of A or B, nothing much. Now see it very carefully what I am going to write. A of I and j plus B of I and j has to be stored into C of I and j. This is the addition algorithm of two matrices. Really simple, na? Really simple. I will see you in the matrix, multiplication of two matrices. Fine. So this way we have done the addition of two matrices and have stored the result into this. Now what we have to do, we just have to print the output of the resultant. So again I would be executing the loop for row size A, and here I have to write the condition. Fine. So I less than this. Now I have to write another loop called for columns, column size of A, column size of A and j plus plus. I just have to write my print statement, system dot out dot println, or print, not println actually, because we have to print columns and then break the line. So C of, because our result existed in C, into this, and a space after printing the value, and after printing each row we have to break the line also. So we can break the line this way, println method. Fine. So we are done with the program. Let us see this into action, whether this is working or not. See it very carefully how I am going to enter the input for this particular problem. So I am running it, and first of all what I have to do, I have to enter, okay, so move from start. I have to enter row size of A, which is 3. Now I have to enter row size, column size of A, again it is 3. Fine. Now I have to enter 9 values, 3 into 3. You can see it is expecting us 9 values. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. We have entered 9 values for A array. Now it is expecting us to enter size of row size of B. So 3 again, and again expecting column size of B, again 3. Now it is expecting 9 more values for entering into B. So I would enter 1 2 3 again, 4 5 6 again, 7 8 9 again. So we are done with the input. Now after entering here we should be able to get this, because after taking input it will add these two matrices using this loop and will print here. So we should be expecting the output as 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 2 is 4, so 2 4 6 this way. So I am hitting enter. So as you can see, we got our output. Let us take it to the board also. So this is the output which we got. So let us erase this and let us see what it is. This is row size of A, this is column size of A, and these are 9 values for A array. This is row size of B, and this is column size of B. This is RB, and this is RA, and this is CA. Fine, this is CB. Column B and row B. Fine. So this is 9 values of B elements. Now what are these 9 values? They are addition of these two matrices, which is, let us see, 1 plus 1, which is 2, 2 plus 2 4, 3 plus 3 6, see it very carefully. We have this. Fine. So 4 plus 4 8, 7 plus 7 14. So we have addition of this matrix and this matrix into this matrix. That means our program is fine. We have got our output correct manner, and this is how we can add two matrices. And if you still have any confusion in this particular program of adding two matrices, then there might be a possibility then you don't know how to take input from the user or how to print the input of the 2D array onto the user screen. Then you should watch my video of introduction of 2D arrays. And if you learn anything from this video, then hit the like button, and if you are new to this channel, subscribe to the channel also, because I am going to upload more videos over DSA. And this is it for this video from my side, and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you.